I just fed him a little bit of stuff that I had. So we're here in Dunsmire right now. I just did a drop off. I'm doing some Uber Eats and DoorDash, and they put me on a like 17-mile order. Uber Eats usually always gives me like really high mile things. They like to do that. It's kind of fun because it's fun to explore areas and things like that. Where am I going? Alright. So what is that? Is that like, I wonder what's down there. Is it places to swim maybe? No idea. I kind of want to check it out in a way, but I don't have a lot of gas right now. Mount Shasta to do some Uber Eats and DoorDashing. This Burger King is at absolute worst. They're all outside the back smoking cigarettes. Their lobby is always closed. They always have the worst attitudes. In Mount Shasta. We've been sitting here. I'm here picking up an order for Uber Eats. We've been sitting here for like probably 5 minutes so far. 19-mile delivery that Uber Eats loves to send me. For $35. Gas. This is one of the areas that we like to come to in Trinity, Shasta, mountains, forest to cool off.